Hey, what is going on everyone? Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily speed up your website. So sometimes you might stuck on the website loading problem. So I'm going to show you which is absolutely free and this plugin is mind blowing. So I'm going to show you step by step. Just follow along with me. So basically, I'm going to speed up my website, this one, which is knee replacement London. So this is my demo website. So I'm going to show you the right. So current analysis. So in this time, we are going to show you the performance, its loading time and speed. And in the meantime, all we need to do, we need to go to the airlift.net website, which is this one. So if you go to this website, just simply sign up. And I already have the account, so I'm gonna hit the login button. So once you go there, you just simply use your username and password, and or you can connect with the sign in with Google or whatever. I need to sign in. Once I go there, all I need to do, you will get an interface something like this, and you can simply, it will show you to download a plugin, or it will show you something like add a site like this. So once you hit there, you need to put the URL and you need to download the file that will show in the homepage. No worries. So currently the website performance is 61, which is really bad, and 64 on the desktop. So it's really worst, I think. So we'll speed up it nearly 100%, I think. So let's see. So I'm gonna copy the URL that I'm going to optimize, or the website that I need to optimize actually. So in here, I just simply need to continue. So before dive into that, I already have added a lot of website in here. So I just simply need to install the plugin first of all. So in my WordPress website dashboard, I just go to the plugin section and add new. I already download the file. So if you are unable to download the plugin, just simply let me know. I will provide you the plugin access so that you can easily download that from there. So I just need to, this is the plugin. I just need to install it. All right. So it's just installing. We just need to simply activate the plugin. So boom. Once it's activate, it's showing me the this interface. So in this time, if I reload this, it's still showing the same problem. So it's not activated yet. So at this time, I'm just go to the airlift.com. I just added the website right here. Continue. Once I do that, I'm just going with the free option. Proceed. Once I do that, it's just boom. Now it will automatically analyze the website and optimize it. So that's it. And if I reload it right here, it will show me the details of the username that already connected with my this account. So you can add a lot of website, unlimited website in this a single account, and it's just optimizing. No worries, we'll show you what's next. And if I go to the site option, it will show me the recent website that I just added. So there we go, the replacement London. I just added this website and it's just updating or analyzing. So that's the thing. Once it's updated, we will see the performance. So I don't want to waste your time, so I'm just going to pause the video, and once it's just finished right here, I will back to you. All right, welcome back. So it's showing me the notification right here. The website is successfully updated. So the first things is completed successfully for this knee replacement London. So it's done. Now I just show, it's not showing the data yet. So no problem at all. We are just going to test it. Look, boom, it's just 100% optimized, and the performance is 100%. Now we will go to the Google page inside, and we will test the website in here. Look, now let's see. It's loading. So I think this video might help you a lot. So if this video help you, just simply hit the subscribe button and press the like icon, and it will inspire me a lot to create a video like this. So feel free to comment if you are unable to do this, or if you are stuck. So look, here is showing 100% optimized, so performance is 100%. Boom, it's 99%, but it's showing the SEO performance 100%. So it's depend a lot of factor, you can optimize this step by step, or so this is how you can simply optimize your website or speed up your website 3x or 5x. So that's it for this video, and I'll back with another one. Have fun, have a good day, bye bye.